by now you've seen the kart in action here at Sugar River Raceway today. There's part of the support crew.
There's support all right.
Yeah, support all right. Boy, my back hurts so bad I need support.
I'm wore out.
But, you know, the kart worked great. Motors ran fine. And so our Vintage Kart build-off for the Vintage Karts Forum is pretty much concluded. So David,
see you next week.
This and all the crew on the Vintage Karts Forum, this is for you guys. Enjoy.
See you next week when we race it.
Yeah, next week we race it down here.